Welcome to the Yes Classroom, a place where the power of peer leadership and social responsibility transforms the lives of thousands of students. Our programs teach emotional intelligence and leadership skills, like conflict resolution, resilience, and empathy. We believe that by equipping young people with these essential skills, we prepare them for success in the workforce and in their lives. Now, students. Tomorrow, your employees. By investing in our programs, you're not just supporting the next generation of leaders. You are investing in the future of your company. Say yes to success and join us in creating a thriving workforce. Invest in our corporate sponsorship program today and help us empower the next generation of leaders, employees, and caring community members. Visit our website, yesinstitute.org, to learn more.